So not all chainsaws come with an engine. So this is a hand chainsaw, and I thought I'd try and cut through this. I guess the real question is, how are we going? So what we got, as you see here, it's just like a regular chainsaw. So what we'll do is we'll loop it around. I'm gonna find a good spot for this. Keep the wood off the ground. Keep your chain clean. This can be done, it doesn't have to be here on the ground, but, back and forth. That's pretty good. That's really quick. And it actually cuts pretty well. So I'm a fan of this hand chainsaw. Now this was maybe an inch and a half and it took that many seconds. No reason you couldn't work at it, but pulling is easier than pushing. So just remember that, normally in America, hand saws, like a traditional flat blade saw, cut on the push. I hear that Japanese saws cut on the pull. Chainsaws, of course, usually have a motor to go in a loop, but that was quick and not hard. I like it.